Hello, this is Panda Zukovsky coming to you on the 15th of May 2009, options expiration, and I'm back in the States from a lovely 7 months in the tropics. And at this time I do miss where I was, but I'll be here for the summer and getting into some trading. So let's take a review over this month, and let's actually go ahead and analyze this chart here on the VIX. So here, what we have here is the VIX from 2008 until now. And following this trend line here from basically exactly a year ago, we are gonna, I think we are gonna retest this general upward trend line here that we're following up. So basically what this is saying is that I think we're going to get another move up in the markets, but it's not going to be that much, because in order to get to this trend line, it's going to be within about a week or so. The VIX would have to drop below 30. So, but that's about another 5 points on the VIX, and then I think we will definitely bounce off of this and move down in the markets quite a bit. So the time frame on that, I'm not really sure, but I definitely see us testing this this trend line on the VIX. Right now the VIX is at 33. I think we're going to break 30 for a little bit, and that's going to be a fake out move, and then here I would advocate shorting the market at this if we do in fact bounce off this, or even if we touch this this level here, I would definitely recommend to do that. And then we're just going to be range bound here between 30 and 40 on the VIX. I do see us going up and retesting this resistance line here that we've had for this year, which is started at 57, and then in March was at about 52, and then right now it's about 43. So keep your eye on that one. Okay, let's take a look at the SPY and our positions here. Okay, so here's the SPY. Let's just go ahead and go into our Iron Condor trades for this month on the SPY, and we had a good month on this one. I exited out of a earlier position from about over a month ago. We were in a bull put spread that the expiry was in June. 56 and 54 strikes. We sold out of that during this month's cycle, and we got a good profit on that, which was, let me open up my recent tabs here, hold on. And yes, okay, 54, 56 bull put. We entered into that at 20 cents and exited out recently for 3 cents, for an overall credit of 17 cents, which returned us 9.29% on that one bull put spread on the SPY. And we also had another position for this month, which was a bear call spread in at 97. At 97. Hold on a second. 97.95 level. Can't really make this line right now for some reason. Okay, yeah. Anyway, 95 was the short, and 97 was the long strike on that one. So that expired worthless today uh, from our original 10-cent credit. So on that trade, we got a 5.26% return. So total for this month, we got 14.5% profit, averaging 7.25% gain for our overall Iron Condor positions. So my analysis this on the SPY right here, what I see happening is this. Okay, this is the uptrend line so far from the March lows, and we just broken out of this. Okay, we've broken down, and looks like we're going to retest this level up. What I think we're going to get a double top on this. I think we're going to move back. We're going to try to tag this this 200-day moving average on the daily time frame there, and then once we get this double top, I think it's going to be a fake out moving above this trend line here, the downtrend line from October of last year. I think we're going to try to break it, but it's going to fail, and it's going to produce an M pattern downfall. So, and that would also coincide with my analysis on the VIX, that we're going to get a down move on the VIX, which would mean an up move in the markets, and then we're going to tag that VIX support line, and then we're gonna shoot up, meaning, and then the market will go down. So anyway, that's my thinking what's going to happen. So I think it'll take a couple weeks to develop. So the market right now is tricky. I think we maintained some support here today. If you can see here, we did not confirm the breakdown here, because we still are holding to these lows here. So we didn't close too bad today, actually. So okay, let's go into the trades for the Pandabolic option trades. This month was very bad, in that we got trashed on all these plays, but the market did its thing. I prematurely called put plays, and it just wasn't. They didn't happen fast enough. If we call them just about a week ago on this top, then we would have been good. On Apple, the strikes that we did, it's $105 puts, so that was a loss. GS, I have a position. It's still open. This is for the June $80 puts on GS. That is it's possible, because I still think we're going to get a down move on GS, and it's going to be pretty bad. We're tagging this as upward channel on it, so we're going to keep that one. That was our trade. Let's look at RIM. RIM was another one that I went in several times thinking that this thing is gonna break down, but it did not. It tagged this Fibonacci 38% level, and it's pulling back. I think we're gonna retest that one, maybe even shoot up to the 50% on this on RIM before getting a down move. So let's take a look at DRYS. DRYS, we actually exited this one for a profit a couple weeks back. DRYS, we got out a 42% profit on the second half. The first half was last cycle. Let's take a look at MA, MasterCard. This was also a loss on this one. It did not happen fast enough, and we just got into position FAZ just the other day. I think this is going to be a good option plays for the July $9 puts. Got in at about 95 cents. I think it's going to break out here pretty soon. It's going to try to tag this $9 level on there. So that's it for that. We'll be back soon, but jet lag is pretty major. Talk to you later.